How to search Airbnb by keyword. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can search Airbnb by keyword. Now, Airbnb primarily allows users to search for accommodation by specifying a destination, such as check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and various filters like price range, property type, amenities, etc. Now, Airbnb search functionality is focused on location and accommodations attributed rather than specific keyword or name. However, Airbnb features and search capabilities may have changed over time. The ways to do it so is now. First of all, you need to log in into your Airbnb account. After that, enter a word or a phrase related to your desired accommodation in the search bar, which is located right on top. So for example, let's go ahead and type in Alaska. After that, click the search bar, and once you've done that, use the filter on the left hand side bar of the screen to narrow down your search result by price, location, and other factors. Now click on a listing to view more detail about the accommodation. You can book it directly through Airbnb, and you can directly book through Airbnb. Apart from it, you can also be specific with your search terms to get the most accurate result. Use filter to narrow down your search result to find a perfect accommodation for you. Just tap on this and you can just go ahead and look for the accommodation. Read the listing detail carefully to ensure the accommodation meets your need. Check the review from your previous guest to review an idea of the host and the accommodation. Now, keyword search is a powerful tool for finding the perfect accommodation on Airbnb. By following the steps above and using the tips provided, you can easily search Airbnb by keyword search and find the perfect place to stay on your zone. So these were the steps on how you can search Airbnb by keyword. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.